Are you watering Daddy's plants? Daddy's plants? No, that's the brick wall. Look, are you using your watering can to water Daddy's plant? Daddy's plant. Do you want to let the puppy inside? Can you let the puppy inside? Look, he wants to go in. Say yes or no. Yes. Okay, you can let the puppy inside. Can you open the door for him? Yes or no. Well, puppy wants in. Good job. Oh, you're gonna go in too? Alright, see you later.
Yeah.